Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long while. Lots been going on lately. But I'm back with a video. Can the Kubota lx2610 run a skid steer type auger like on the front? Answer's yes, it can. I picked up this homemade skid steer auger from a farmer up in Guelph. I don't know exactly what motor's on it. It's off a scissor lift. But it works really good. So I'm gonna hook it on the tractor now, and we're gonna punch a couple holes, and we're gonna start using some of the lumber that I've been working on. So got a wraparound porch going in on the old farmhouse here, so stick around. All right, out here with my pops, and we're hi everybody. We're getting the auger figured out. So we basically, last night we just got a little horny and we set a post. So the auger does work, like I said, it does work good here. I hit a couple rocks too, and I was able to actually get them out. So our corner post is set. I'm using all my own rough cut lumber from the sawmill. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more posts to install. And yeah, that's a lot of augering. So I went ahead, I bought this beauty, like I said, from a farmer in Guelph, Ontario. It's just I believe it's a single stage pump, and it just runs the output shaft runs a cog, it runs a chain, it runs an auger. It's pretty Frankenstein looking, but it looks like it works pretty good. So let's set the tripod up and we'll auger a hole. We are cooking with oil now. So I ran into extremely hard clay here. We ended up taking a grinder, and I touched up the bottom flights of those. That auger is really dull. Kind of pecked away at it, just different layers of clay there, and it really f***ed me over. But that one's done, a little over 3 feet, 4 bags of concrete per. And I think I'm on to this one. Yeah, okay.
Bang on the balls there.
Yeah. Banged right on the balls. All right, that was the last hole. That's 10 6x6s in. All of them using the auger. Well, I took it off, but that a homemade auger. So I know that I'm pretty sure Kubota makes an auger for it, and there's also some skid steer stuff you can find. And I would say, you know, your gallons per minute around 10. It's enough. Like, you could see how slow I was going getting this. You know, I had a really hard time with the clay. Like look at the solid chunks of clay I was pulling out. Yeah, if you want more videos on the Kubota, this is an lx2610. Love the tractor. Definitely subscribe, okay? And if you're into you know, homesteading and how-to, This is kind of how this channel started out. We're getting the deck finally finished. She's pretty close. I'd say 95%. All right, I'm gonna go rinse the concrete out of my hair because we're going for Father's Day dinner. Catch you on the next one. Take care.